Now, if you hang a new door and you notice when you open it, it opens and drops down and then it hits and then closes, you can shim it. We fixed that. It closes good now. And so there's a few ways to fix that. There's actual shims that you can put behind the door. In our case, we just took a few washers and put them behind the hinge where it attaches to the door. So against the door, between the door and between the hinge is where we put some washers. So we put them on the bottom, and that pushed that door upward this way, and so now it closes just fine.